guys, my name is Tudan. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Okay, shut up. We're playing Lifting Simulator. I am premium, as you can see. We only have 9 friends, so congrats for that. I have 10 Robux to spend it all. Anyways, we were playing Lifting Simulator. You can go ahead and join me if you want. I'm just gonna cut off the audio so you guys can see. I'm gonna give me one. After let's hurry up. Okay, there we go. Lifting Simulator. I want you guys to. I want to show you guys that I have. So if you see me, my username is Tudan YouTube. This is actually my real account. This is actually not a fake account by someone I took from a YouTuber or a YouTuber, and I just put the name on it. I actually got this account for real. This is actually my own account. So we're gonna make sure that everything is loaded because it always takes forever to loading. And I hope we have some time, to come here, because then my internet is like a little broken. So as you can see, I'm lifting one of these ones, either water inside of it. But it's really heavy. It's really small to hold it. And whoa! Wait, big boy! Look at my big boy! Oh, look at my big boy! Oh crap! We gotta move somewhere else. Oh my gosh! You better stop, man! Stop! Oh, I didn't mean to. You better come here. Come here. Yeah. You're actually on recorded. So just so you know, if you wanna come and see me, well, I'm gonna join. You can my username is actually no. I'm gonna put my profile link into the description so you can kind of come here and join me. And yeah, that will be pretty cool. So if you want to see some more videos about this will be in the link in the description. If you want to know about me, if you want to, I'm not really sure. So right now we want to go on top of the gym. That's our goal. Go on top of the gym. So I'm really small, but I'm really big. So I'm buff. So I want to be like Hulk. I have a friend that plays this game a lot, and he's like actually like a Hulk size. And I'm pretty sure I want to be this size. Well, I can't get up on these. I have to be like a little bigger. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to stay bigger as we can. So when we get a chance, oh crap, the big boys are up there. I don't want to go ahead and sell it. I want to be small. So, I also don't have to sell. Actually, I want to remove this. So, guys, I wish I could show you my muscle. Okay, okay. I just literally spit it out. Okay, I want to go ahead and show you guys my muscle. Let's just say, I have a lot of muscle. So, I have a lot of coins. Oh my gosh, this dude's actually this dude's actually on camera, and he better stop, because I know people will be like, oh my gosh, I hate that dude so much. Oh, they scared away some big boys. Oh, okay, that's freaking, okay. Okay, anyways. Okay, so I think that this is a good idea. Oh, no. Please, no! He's keeping... We have to get him. We have to get a way to actually get him. Oh my gosh, he's coming this way. He's coming this way. I can't. Oh no, he's coming this way. He's coming this way now. I better hurry up and go somewhere else. Oh my god! Stop! Actually. Stop. Okay, I just want to say stop, so when we have time to keep recording. Okay, anyways, I'm so sorry for that. This guy's like actually really insane. So, I'm going to a new server. Okay, I just want to leave the game. I left the server because it was like really boring. Boring at the same time because this guy's like literally ruined everything. I'm gonna go ahead and see my size right now. So I always do when I have the Game Pass. I always check my size because if I don't check my size, then it'll be like way too like I don't know. If I never, I wanna actually check my size every single time while I'm lifting because it kind of makes a lot of sense at the same time. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check my size and see how big I am. So I'm really big. I'm kind of buffing up. And yeah, I look really buffing up. Okay, so I am a Doge. I'm probably gonna be changing my outfit soon, but I like the Doge outfit for a minute. But I will be keep wearing the Doge outfit every time. And you might be saying why I have this like curly Christmas hat. It's because it's almost Christmas, and we should actually go to the holiday. It's not really like, I mean, it's actually Halloween. It's Halloween day, but I wanted to make it like Christmas because I like it when it's Christmas. I really like Christmas a lot, so I want to make sure I want to like turn it into Christmas. So this is my favorite. This is my favorite part on the gym. So I always go on top of the gym because it's actually really safe, but not really safe because kind of big guys can actually get up here as well. And again. And again, if you love my videos, then okay. Okay, I'm really scared of these big guys. These big guys are like really gonna come up. Okay, anyways, if you want to see part 2 of this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and that's really it. Oh, comment, and then we will see if we can think that we can play it tomorrow. Anyways, the video will be uploaded. The video will be uploaded, and I'll see you guys, see you Doges in a little bit. Bye!